Hey guys, welcome to the School of Nomads. So in this video I want to show you how to build a business that generates on average $100 a day within the next 120 days. Now this is a business that I actually run myself. I use affiliate marketing, which is a great way to start a business because you don't have to own any products, you don't need any staff, and the overheads are very low and you can start with very little money. So what I want to do very quickly is go through the funnel that I use, and I'm going to show you lots of different examples of all aspects of the funnel. So what I'm actually going to show you is where you can go ahead and find affiliate products to promote, where you can get traffic from. So this is very crucial for you. You need visitors to come over and view your products and services. And then I'm going to show you some examples so you can see exactly how I set up my own funnels, and I'm going to show you the types of pages that I use. So guys, if you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I release new videos. We've got some free affiliate marketing training. You'll find it in the description below. Just go ahead over to the School of Nomads and we'll take you through the whole process step by step. So I'm actually going to jump off camera. I've got a lot to actually show you here, so I want to be able to click around the screen without me getting in the way. So the first thing I'm going to do is jump over to my funnel so I can really explain the whole process to you, and then we'll go into it in a little bit more detail. So this is the actual funnel that I use to promote my goods and services. Now remember, this is affiliate marketing. So what happens is you actually promote other people's goods and services and you get a commission for doing that, okay? So what you end up doing typically, if you're promoting digital type products, is anything from 10% up to 60% or 70%, depending on the type of product or service that you're going to go ahead and promote. Now the great thing is, once you have your initial website set up and you have your equipment, if you're going to be using things like YouTube, then the actual outgoings for this type of business are very low. So the actual profit margins are really good for you, which is why you can actually make a lot of money with this if you know how to do it. So what we're going to do is look through the funnel, and remember, each one of these areas of the funnel I'm going to go ahead and show you some examples of so you know where to go. Now the first thing we've got to do is we're going to go ahead and find an affiliate program. Now there's lots of different marketplaces out there. I'm going to show you some examples of them where you can find digital products and services to actually promote. The other thing you can find is things like page builders, autoresponders, all sorts of different softwares out there that actually have affiliate programs that want you to go out and promote them and you get a commission. Now obviously when picking an affiliate product, you need to think about what niche you're actually in. So what are you going to concentrate on to promote goods and services within? So let's say you're in the diet niche. Are you going to look at products that help you lose weight? Are you going to look at products that help you build muscle? Whatever they may be, you need to figure out that niche, and you need to have a niche that's not too big, not too highly competitive. And once you've figured that out, you can go ahead and select products and services based on that particular niche. So you now have a particular product or service that you want to go ahead and promote. Now the way you do that correctly is by building content within that niche that actually provides value to people, and then you actually promote the goods and services within that content or on the back of that content. Now you do that by using platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Medium if you want to do it for free, TikTok, Reddit. You might have your own blog, but you need to be thinking about what kind of content you want to develop. The reason I want you to do it like this is that this is the method that actually allows you to build your business. If you go and do what a lot of people do and just go ahead and grab an affiliate link from one of these networks and try and spam it out to one of these other networks like Facebook, hoping people click on it without providing any kind of value, that is not a business that is long term. What you need to do is focus on one of these types of platforms, for instance YouTube, develop content within YouTube that you can then use to advertise affiliate products on the back end. That's the way you do this correctly. So I would go ahead and have a product I want to promote here. I would develop content on it over on YouTube. Then I would send them over to a page that was my page first before I send them over to the sales page itself for the product. And it could be a review site, it could be an opt-in form, it could be a bonus page. Once you have them over there, you can capture some details off your visitors before they go ahead and actually be linked over to the sales page. And don't worry, I'm actually going to show you an example of this, but this is the correct way to really build a business up to $100 a day within the next 120 days. Now, why do you do this piece here? Now, what you want people to do is actually opt in to get maybe your bonus before they go ahead and go over to the sales page. This allows you to remarket to them via email marketing. Now, email marketing is very critical because this allows you to, again, provide more value to people, and then also within those emails actually link them back to the sales pages for whatever product or service they were interested in. Now, if they've opted in and they haven't decided to purchase straight away, that's fine. But through your email marketing over the next couple of days or couple of weeks, they will then get more information about the product and then maybe be in a better place to actually purchase those products from you. Now, remember, a lot of people use mobile phones these days, and what happens is they get distracted or they can't actually purchase something straight away because they're busy, and then you lose them forever if you do not capture any of those details. So this piece here is very, very critical if you want to actually build a business over time. Now, what they do is they come and get these emails, and hopefully they'll come back to the sales page, and then they purchase here, and this is when you're actually going to make your commission. Now, what happens then if you use the bonus method, which is the method I'll actually show you an example of, they get a welcome email, and within that welcome email, most of these networks allow you to put a link over to your own bonus delivery page where you can actually thank them, you can provide your bonuses, and then maybe you can also recommend other products and services within this bonus page. Now, once you have them, then even if they bought that product off you, you can remarket to these folks because they become part of your list, and your list is very critical to building your business over time. So this is the actual funnel that we're going to use, and I'm going to show you some examples of affiliate programs first so that you can see where to go ahead and find products within your niche that you can promote. So as I said earlier, I'm in the digital product space. So the types of sites that I'll show you are more digital focused, so they're informational type products or softwares. Now, if you're into physical goods, there is other videos that I've done on various places to find affiliate products, which I'll actually put in the description below. So you can go ahead and check them out, and that'll show you where you can find digital products to promote. But for digital products, you can go to places like Clickbank. Now, Clickbank is a massive vendor. Once you go inside Clickbank, I have videos on this as well. I will leave in the description. Just check my channel out. You can come into their marketplace, and they've got lots of different products in all of these different niches and categories. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, for instance, you can come along here and check out all of these types of products, and you can go and promote these. So all of these, if you want to go ahead and promote these are the average commissions that you will get from these products. Now, this type of product is really good because generally you get up to 75% commissions on the front end of these products. So all you need to do is come along here, there's a link here, click on that, and you can go ahead and be an affiliate for this particular product. Okay, so again, I've got videos on this, so you can check my channel and it'll show you how to do this in much more detail. Another option for you is Digistore24, very similar to Clickbank, a slightly smaller, but you go into their marketplace as well once you've signed up. They're all free to sign up, guys, and just look at all of these various categories. You can go to email marketing, and they've got products like these that you can go ahead and promote if it suits your particular niche. Again, go to home and garden, and they've got things like interior design products. Also, stay free calendar, lots of different products that you can promote there. That's Digistore24. Another option, and a really good option, is AppSumo. Now, AppSumo do very high quality software. Now, all of these softwares, they kind of have a limited time on AppSumo, but they're very popular and they get a lot of traffic. What you can do is actually do reviews on these types of software and actually drive traffic over to your affiliate links, which then makes you a commission. Now, I really like AppSumo. I've reviewed many different products on AppSumo, and it does work really well. And you can be guaranteed that the quality of these is really high. So AppSumo is another option for you. And then the last one, just as showing these as an example, is Pay Kickstart. I just jumped into Pay Kickstart. This is just one of my accounts. This is this month so far. I just jumped to the marketplace, And then you can go through here and there's lots of different products on here. Again, you can come along here and just grab the links to these products, and then this will actually be other digital products that you can go ahead and promote. And this is just one example of those products. So guys, I do have videos on how you can find good products to promote, but that's just some of the affiliate networks that you can actually go to if you want to promote digital products. So just jumping back to my funnel, what I've actually just showed you there is the affiliate programs. Now, what I want to show you is some traffic sources here. Now, this is where you would actually develop content and actually refer people over to your review sites or your opt-in forms or your bonus pages. Now I'm going to show you an example of YouTube, because I extensively use YouTube, and this is where I actually post my content about various products. Now I do a lot of product reviews, so I just show you over on YouTube one of my product reviews. So this is a product called QuickList. Now this is my YouTube channel, and you can see that I've had quite a few views to this channel, 250,000 views. I've got about 4,000 subscribers and about nearly 300 videos. And this is just one of my review videos. Now, this works really, really well, and you don't need to be on camera to do reviews, guys. All you need to do is talk about what that product actually is. Now, this is something called QuickList. Now, when people actually watch this video, I refer them to the link in the description. You might have heard me do it several times here. Now, on that link in the description, there is a School of Nomads QuickList bonus link. Now you'll see here, if they come through and have a look at these bonuses, once they click on this link, they will then be redirected over to the actual sales page. This is where they can go through the product themselves, and then they can go ahead and get access just by clicking on there, and they can buy the product. Now once they do that, what they get is an email through with their login details, and also on it will be my own bonus page, which is this page here, and you can go ahead and collect these bonuses. This happens to be an SEO optimization course that I have, and I've given this as the bonus. And then you've got a couple of special offers down here if they want to go ahead and they're interested in these products here. So you'll see that there's a very, very specific way that I've actually asked my visitors to come through the link in the description in my video over to those pages, showed them the bonus, and then got the sale. This is the best way you can use as an affiliate to actually promote various goods or services. The worst way you can do it is just by throwing a link out directly to the sales page and not actually providing any kind of value before they go ahead and purchase. And we have lots of different examples here. If I show you one on Medium. Now Medium is very good if you're a complete beginner and you can't afford any kind of tools to get started. Ideally, guys, you would have your own website and you would be able to have your own page builders so you can build your own pages. But if you haven't got that, you can use a site called Medium. And again, I've got a video on this. I'll put it in the description below, and it will show you how to drive traffic from Medium. Now, Medium is a blogging platform, and you can use that to actually build your own blogs completely for free. And it does rank really well. So if I show you an example of one of my reviews on the Medium site. So here's the actual review of a product called Designer on Medium. Now, when I actually go ahead and look at this on Google, you'll see that if I go and write designer review and demo, which a lot of people will actually search for a product if they're intending to buy it, you'll see my actual YouTube video is here. And that's my YouTube video there. It's the top ranking YouTube video. And then as I scroll down, the actual top ranking non-ad on here, because this one is an ad, is mine as well. And it's actually my Medium article. So I come and click this, you'll come back to this article. So you can see if you wanted to do this completely for free, using Medium is a very effective way to do it, as long as you put decent content in here. You'll see this article here. I've got images in here. I've actually written lots of different things about the actual product itself. And I've got lots of things like the prices. So I'm very, very upfront about what the various aspects of the product are. But you have provided a lot of value here. And people do come along to these and actually click the links on here. And in this particular case, this will go straight off to the sales page. So there's various ways that you can actually go ahead and drive traffic over to your offers. So guys, I hope that is useful to you. I just wanted to demonstrate what is needed to actually build a business to $100 a day within the next 120 days. You can't just get links and throw them out there hoping people will click them. It'll happen once or twice, but the reality is, if you want to be able to do this, you need to build a proper funnel and a proper business. Now, if you want to do that, go ahead and check out my free resource. You'll see it in the link in the description below, over to the School of Nomads, and it's going to take you through this whole process, exactly how to develop every part of this process step by step. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and pick that up. Until next time, guys, take care.